I don't, I'll have to be honest. I feel the world is boring. I feel there's too much routine, and I think there's something in my head which makes it really funny, and that comes out. Hi, I'm Gagan Singh. I'm an artist. I've generally been a funny person, whatever that might mean. There could be a fear that I could offend somebody, but at least when I'm drawing, I can say anything. So I could say that if I post one thing on Instagram, I could have something which is even more meaner in my sketchbook, which is more ridiculous, more insane, more crazier. Instagram allows me to, not have any boundaries, and it's so immediate. And I sometimes even envision when I'm drawing on my sketchbook that I'm like I'm doing stand-up comedy. When I'm sort of treading on this path of knowing more about humor, this play of linguistics comes in. So the language makes you feel that, am I even drawing? Or is it just play of words? And drawing is just a tool. Maybe I don't know what is absurdity or what is humor, but maybe it's sort of navigating through my sketches is a way of learning the nuances of humor. I'm carrying a sketchbook most of the time, so whether I visit my dentist or I'm at the chemist, I'm in the market, I'm in the parking lot, idea can come anytime, and I make sure that I draw it there. The sketchbook, or the way that I draw, it allows me to move in the city, and I love that. So my studio is the bag that I carry with me. I like to be able to draw myself as a character, and I enjoy when that character is performing the idea of absurdity, or whether it's the idea of imagination and about possibility. There's a need to educate oneself about what is drawing. I feel I sort of get into a conversation about knowing more about what is drawing. And I feel that is the gap which could exist now, about people knowing what could be considered as drawing and potentially what could be drawing.